Man, and mine are gone.
There we go.
Oh,
they're moving right there. There he is.
The female. See her?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They're sitting right there now, just sitting there.
One, but there's a huge.
They're just sitting right there, sitting right there in the frame.
So is that
the white shadow there?
Yeah.
See the tail moving?
Yeah, that's where they're spawning.
Guadalupe River, Chinook salmon spawning. November 14th, 2011, underneath Julian Bridge.
And then you have a, but when you see these fish and dive them, it's exciting stuff. That even with all these deplorable conditions, we still have salmon coming up. And Richard works with the Guadalupe Nature Conservancy here on the Guadalupe River, so he's doing a lot of stuff up here to work with the river and trying to restore it.
There he is.
There,
Perfect.
you see it?
Perfect.
You see the female?
Oh, that was nice.
Come down.
Other ones look like steelhead to me, but
No, they're spawning there, so that's like a 22, 23 inch salmon spawning with that big one.
oh, it's the movement.
Look.
Yeah, there he is right there. Sitting right in the center in the bed.
Yep.
Yeah. I'd say he's about 32 or 3.
There it is, just sitting right there. Trying to.
And
Yep. I do see him now.
so he's about a 14-pounder.
There.
13 or 14
Oh, wait.
pounder. The guy was looking.
It's right in the view. I got it right in the frame. I'm trying to.
I seen one down here.
Oh, that was perfect. Thank you. Thank
There he
you.
is. He's still there.
I had the camera right on it. I could see salmon everywhere. There's another one. There he is. You see that? Huge salmon. Huge salmon.